GT sound control. Just installed some GTMAT in this Z. Got the stereo sounding awesome. Next, I thought we'd do a video that explains what happens to various sound deadening products when put to a heat test, also known as a sag test or an oven test. We hope to show how GTMAT stacks up against the competition. Alright, so I got my setup here. I've got my 4 products I'm going to be testing today, and I've got my cookie sheet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small patch of each product, I'm going to put it on the cookie sheet, and then we'll take it over to the oven. Alright, so I got a premium product. This is a high quality and high price product. And I've got a product that if you went down to the hardware store you could find. Some people use this as a sound deadener. Here I have a leading discount brand. And here I have some GTMAT. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these and I'm going to put it on my cookie sheet. I've already got labels for each product. Go from there, these cut, simple one. Alright, there you go. So now it's ready to go to the oven. Okay, so here we are at my oven, and you see me preheating the oven to 250 degrees. We're going to wait about 10 minutes for the oven to heat up, and once that's going at 250, we will put the samples in, and then we're going to watch and see what happens. So it only takes about 10 or 15 minutes at 250 degrees for stuff to start happening. And what you'll see is the leading discount and the hardware store brands, they start to slide pretty dramatically. So this is a good time to ask yourself, is this a feature in my sound deadening that is important to me? Well, if you live in a climate that has a hot summer, or you're going to be putting your material in your car somewhere near a heat source, say the engine, or maybe your climate control, or maybe the exhaust, then I would say it is an important factor for you. And what I wanted to show in this video was that GTMAT, while it is a discount product, discount price, it does have a heat tolerance that rivals the premium brands. Alright, so what you've seen so far is pretty basic. This is a simple heat test. If you wanted to reproduce this test, you could do so pretty easily. Or maybe you'd like to take your own sound deadener and put it to the test. Now I've put the samples back in the oven, and I'm cranking up the heat to 500 degrees. And what I'm going to show now is that while GTMAT does outperform the other discount brands, it does actually have a limit. A little adjustment for the camera. Let's go ahead and fast forward over the next 5 minutes, and you can see the temperature rising. As we go higher and higher, you'll see the other discount brands, they will resume their slide, and over 300 now. Well, basically, what is the magic number? We'll see that it's around 355 or 360, right in here where we start to see GTMAT first start to slide. Okay, so let's pause here and zoom in a little bit. And what can we conclude from this test? Well, GTMAT, not quite as high of a heat tolerance as the premium brand, but definitely much better than the other discount brands. This is Rhett with GTMAT. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it very informative. Please check out our other videos and learn more reasons why GTMAT is your best value in sound deadening.